Here the topic is probability or chances. For example, we have tossed one coin, then we will get the result either head, otherwise either tail. So here one coin tossed, so the result may come head or T for tail. So these two things are called what? Outcomes. These two things are called what? Outcomes or result. Suppose our choice is head. Suppose somebody has tossed the coin and I call it should be head. So this is my event. Out of this outcome or result, each are called what? One event. So this will be my favorite event because I have called it. Suppose somebody has called tail. So tail will be what? His event or favorite event. So total things are, results are, if put in a set, then these two are called what? Outcomes or results or events. They have kept in bracket, then this is called what? Sample space. This is called what? Sample space if it is in bracket, and each are called events or results, that is what? Head or tail. Then these both are also called sometimes outcomes or result. Whenever any experiment has done or any activity has done, I have tossed one coin, so this is my one experiment, that is the toss of coining or tossing of the coin. Suppose I have thrown one die, then throwing of a die is called my experiment, that is what called experiment, right, or activity. So I got the results, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, maybe 6, because the die has 6 faces and the numbers noted like this. So these results each are called one event. So 1 is an event, 2 is an event, 3 is an event, 4, 5 and 6 also an event. I will tell, while throwing the die, may I get 7? No, 7 is not there in the die. So 7 is not an event of this experiment. So here experiment, when thrown a die, then each phase or each results are called what? One event. Suppose I want 4. So 4 will be my favorite event because I want that. Somebody will tell that what is the even number of results, then 2, 4 and 6. These 3 outcomes or 3 events are my favorite because these 3 are the even number of results here in the outcomes. So 2, 3, 4, 6 are what? Even numbers. 1, 3 and 5 are called the odd numbers. So here if I put them all in bracket, then this one will be what? Sample space, right? Now come to the point probability. Probability is what? Probability is the ratio of favorite event out of the total event or total outcomes. For example, I have thrown the die, my results may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Suppose my favorite event is 5, I want 5. Then in these outcomes or in these events, how many 5s are there? Only 1. So the chances of getting 5 is what? Only 1. Out of the total chance or out of the total outcome, that is what? 6. So 1 upon 6 is called what? Probability of getting 5. This way we can write. This is the symbol for probability of getting 5 out of the sample space or total outcomes, that is what? 1 upon 6. Suppose I will tell what is the probability of getting only even numbers. Here 3 even numbers are there, 2, 4 and 6. So my probability of getting only even numbers is, total even numbers how many? 3. I can get 2 also, I can get 4 also, I can get 6 also. So my chances are how many? 3. So 3 chances out of total chance or total outcomes, that is what? 6. That is what? 1 upon 2 will be my probability of getting even number. So probability means the ratio between the favorite event out of the total event, right? For example, I have taken probability of getting even number is 3 upon 6. Then probability of not getting even number is how much? 3 upon 6 only. See here, total event 6. So 3 upon 6 plus 3 upon 6 equals to what? 6 upon 6, that is what? 1. So 1 is what? Complete outcomes or complete event. So if 3 is the favorite events, then 1 minus 3 upon 6 equals to 3 upon 6 is the not favorite event, right? We can take another example. Suppose probability of getting the events less than 3. Here less than 3 is what? 1. Less than 3 is what? 2. So the events are how many? 2 events. That is what? Probability of getting less than 3. Right? So events become 2. Out of total event what? 6. So this is 2 1s are 2, 2 3 are 6, 1 upon 3 is the total events. So we can say 2 upon 6 will be the probability of getting less than 3. Then what is not getting less than 3? That will be what? Total is how much? 6. Out of 2 minus, then it will be 4 upon 6 is the not getting less than 3. Right? Suppose in a bag 3 red balls, 5 white balls. Total balls how many? 8. So total events will be 8 only. Suppose my choice is to get 3 red balls, right? I want only red balls. Without looking the bag, inside the bag, I will draw one ball. That may be 3, because 3 red balls are there. So the probability of getting red balls equals to how much? 3. Total outcomes how much? 8 or events. So 3 upon 8 is the probability of getting what? Red balls. Then what is not getting red balls? That is probability of not getting red balls. That is what? White. That will be 5 upon 8. After taking 3, remaining is what? 5 out of total 8. So this one will be 5 upon 8. This is the concept of the probability. Probability means a ratio between the favorite events out of the total events. Events means the outcomes or the results when an experiment conducted, right?